duk mutumin da yake cin bashi baya biya ranar gobe kiyama cikin dandazon barayi za a tashe shi, kidnappers da barayin mutane duk a cikin za a tashe shi. Zuwa ba barayi.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Can you sing your national anthem?
Oh, sorry, no mistake. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm from Zimbabwe.
What part of Zimbabwe are you from?
Nkoso.
I'm serious.
Nkoso.
Is it because you can't sing your national anthem?
No, I'm not from Nigeria. I'm from Zimbabwe. Mistake.
You said you're from Nigeria.
It's a mistake. I'm from Nkoso, Zimbabwe.
Okay, can you say, my name is, what's your name?
My name is
So, what's the most popular dish in Zimbabwe?